Buddy, I mean, a lot of these drivers, and you've seen it, Drift Masters, FP, and look at that, just driving from this. I really want to go
Welcome to another MSM RC and Hobby video. This week we got footage from our trip to Seattle where we went to Formula Drift. We didn't get a lot of video, at least I didn't. I was mostly focusing on photos. But anyway, I thought I'd put together this video to show you guys some of the sights and the sounds, and I hope you dig it. Buddy, I mean, a lot of these drivers, and you've seen it, Drift Masters, FP, and look at that, just driving from this. I really want to Right on. So I apologize for the format. It's not all video. It's a lot of photographs, but I'm hoping that you liked what you saw. We give you a little glimpse of what Peter and my sister and I experienced. We had some great drifting battles to watch. We smelled a lot of tire smoke. We met drivers and we had a ton of fun. So thanks again for watching our videos. If you enjoy what we're doing, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit like, and we will catch you again next week with another MSM RC and hobby video.